Window installation is a significant investment for homeowners in Salt Lake City, providing an opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and overall value of your property. However, even the best windows can fail to deliver their full potential if improperly installed. Understanding common mistakes during window installation can save you time, money, and future frustrations. Here's a guide to avoiding pitfalls and ensuring a successful window installation process in Salt Lake City. Choosing the wrong type of window. Salt Lake City's climate includes hot summers and cold winters, making energy-efficient windows a necessity. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is selecting windows that are not suited to the local weather conditions. Always choose windows with appropriate insulation ratings, such as double or triple pane windows with low E coatings. These features help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Solution: work with a professional window supplier familiar with the Salt Lake City climate to recommend the best options for your home. Failing to measure accurately. The accurate measurements are the foundation of a successful window installation. Even a minor miscalculation can result in ill-fitting windows, leading to drafts, water leaks, and higher energy costs. Solution: use a professional installer to take precise measurements. If you're doing it yourself, double-check your dimensions and account for any irregularities in the window openings. Neglecting proper sealing. Salt Lake City's weather can be unpredictable, with frequent rain, snow, and wind. Poor sealing around windows can lead to water intrusion, mold, and decreased energy efficiency. Inadequate sealing is one of the most common issues reported by homeowners after a DIY installation. Solution: invest in high-quality sealants and ensure they are applied evenly around the window frame. Professional installers know the best techniques to prevent air and water leaks. Ignoring building codes and permits. Every city, including Salt Lake City, has specific building codes and permit requirements for window installations. Ignoring these regulations can result in fines or legal complications down the road. Solution: before starting your project, familiarize yourself with local building codes. A reputable contractor will handle this for you, ensuring the installation complies with all requirements. Overlooking energy efficiency ratings. Many homeowners focus on appearance over functionality when choosing windows. While aesthetics matter, ignoring energy efficiency ratings can lead to higher energy costs and an uncomfortable home environment. Solution: look for windows certified by Energy Star or with a high U-value rating, which indicates better insulation performance. In Salt Lake City, energy-efficient windows can also make you eligible for local rebates and incentives. Attempting a DIY installation without experience. Window installation is a complex process requiring specialized tools, materials, and skills. Many homeowners underestimate the challenges involved, leading to costly mistakes. Solution: while DIY projects can save money upfront, hiring a professional installer ensures the job is done right the first time. Professionals have the expertise to address unexpected challenges and provide warranties for their work. Not preparing the installation site. An unprepared installation site can cause delays, accidents, and damage to your property. Common oversights include failing to clear debris, secure loose materials, or protect surrounding areas. Solution: clear the area around the windows of any furniture, decorations, or obstacles. Cover floors and nearby furniture with drop cloths to protect them from dust and debris. Using subpar materials. Cutting corners with low-quality materials may save money initially but can lead to long-term issues such as warping, rotting, or inefficient insulation. Solution: invest in high-quality windows, frames, and installation materials. Quality components last longer and perform better in Salt Lake City's climate. Ignoring post-installation inspections. Once the windows are installed, skipping the inspection phase can leave undetected issues like improper alignment or inadequate sealing. Solution: conduct a thorough inspection after installation. Check for drafts, ensure windows open and close smoothly, and verify that all seals are intact. Failing to consider maintenance requirements. Different window types have varying maintenance needs. Ignoring this can lead to premature wear and tear, reducing the lifespan of your windows. Solution: choose windows with maintenance requirements that match your lifestyle. For example, vinyl windows are low maintenance and ideal for busy homeowners in Salt Lake City. Conclusion: avoiding common mistakes during window installation in Salt Lake City ensures your windows perform optimally, save energy, and enhance your home's curb appeal. Whether you're installing new windows or replacing old ones, consider working with a trusted professional who understands the local climate and building codes. By taking these precautions, you'll enjoy beautiful, efficient, and long-lasting windows for years to come.